If you want to change your DNS servers on Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to update your name servers step by step, whether you want to use Namecheap's own DNS, Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, or custom name servers from another provider. This is a simple process, but it's important to get it right so your website and domain keep working properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Click domain list, then find the domain you want to update. When you see the domain, click the manage button next to it. This will open the settings page for that specific domain. Now scroll down until you find the Nameservers section. This is the part of Namecheap where you can control which DNS servers your domain uses. To make a change, open the drop-down menu in that section. You'll see a few different choices here. If you want Namecheap to manage your DNS records, choose Namecheap BasicDNS. This is the standard option for using Namecheap DNS management. If your domain is connected to Namecheap hosting, you can select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS instead. And if you're using DNS or hosting from another company, choose CustomDNS. That option is for Nameservers provided by a different hosting or DNS provider. If you selected CustomDNS, enter the Nameservers exactly as your provider gave them to you. Make sure you type them carefully because even a small typo can cause DNS issues. After entering the correct Nameservers, look for the green checkmark and click it to save the changes. This confirms your update and sends the new Nameserver settings to Namecheap. Once that's done, your DNS changes need time to propagate across the internet. This can take a little while, so don't worry if your site doesn't update instantly. In some cases, changes can start working quickly, but full propagation may take longer depending on the domain and network caching. And that's it. You've successfully changed the DNS servers on Namecheap. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one.